Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you to fix the issue where your TCL TV is talking to you. Alright, so of course it's known as talkback, and I'll show you what it sounds like in a minute. It's very annoying, and of course it might just have happened to your TV and you have no clue why it's happening. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you what it sounds like. So I have my remote, and this is a TCL Google TV, so it will apply to other TV brands as well that's running Google TV. All right, so listen out.
In one row, 20 columns. Column 1, The Wrecking Crew. Out of row, home. Press select to activate.
Alright, so you get the idea. It's very annoying. It reads everything on screen. Now, this is a basic accessibility feature that's meant to aid those who might be visually impaired, and it's used in various situations. But sometimes it gets turned on in error. So in order to turn it off, and it's known as talkback, based on the fact that it simply reads out everything on screen that you're seeing and everything that you select. Plus it messes up the interface. You notice those boxes. And of course everything that you select will start to speak. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and get your remote. You're gonna move over.
Apps. Press screensaver. Quick settings.
All right, so your TV
Press select to activate.
Your TV might be slightly different. This one is the latest update, so the interface was recently changed, but it wasn't a major change. So you should be able to see a gear icon somewhere around here. So go all the way over and select to access this menu here, which
Dashboard. Is the open settings button. Press select to activate.
Yes, which is your quick settings. So go ahead and select the gear icon over in the right column.
Settings. In list. Channels and in.
Alright, so you're gonna go down.
System.
You're gonna go to system.
Press select.
You're gonna select system.
In list. Accessibility.
Next, you're gonna go to accessibility.
In list. Captions.
Then search for talkback. And there you go.
Talkback on.
So that's talkback.
In list. Enable on.
Alright, so
Switch.
turn it off.
Talkback. In list. Okay. Stop talkback. Talkback off.
Alright, so there you go. Should be off now. So notice right away there's no highlights on the home screen, and it's not speaking anymore. Alright, so it's now fixed. Alright, so that's how to turn off the talkback on your TCL Google TV. Alright, so hope this tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next one guys. Bye.